Are you facing a standstill in your fitness journey? It's a common obstacle known as a fitness plateau, where progress stalls despite diligent effort. Understanding the roots of these plateaus is your key to overcoming them. They can stem from monotonous routines that no longer challenge you, or a mismatch in workout intensity and current fitness level. Recognizing your specific plateau sign, be it a lack of progress on the scales or the missing burn from your workouts, is crucial. Fortunately, there's a way to break through. Our journey ahead involves a strategic mix of diverse exercises, gradual progression, and keen bodily awareness. Up next, we'll dive into routines that push past these plateaus, designed to elevate your fitness journey. Stay tuned for transformative exercises, varying in intensity and tailored to your fitness goals, ready to reignite your passion and drive towards achieving wellness. Diving deeper into our fitness quest, we've discovered that exercise success isn't solely quantified by weights lifted or miles ran. Enter low impact exercise, a secret powerhouse of health benefits, enveloped in gentleness. This segment explores the vast advantages of such exercises, offering a customizable array fit for all, regardless of your starting point. From yoga's serenity to Pilates strength building and the joy of swimming, low impact routines enhance cardiovascular health, muscle tone, and flexibility with minimal injury risk. Tailoring these routines to your unique needs and fitness level personalizes your journey, letting you adjust intensity, incorporate resistance, or alter duration. As we proceed, remember the path to better health is always evolving. Up next, we'll explore how integrating cardiovascular exercises can boost not only your heart rate, but your overall wellness. Approaching the pinnacle of physical fitness, the role of cardiovascular health cannot be overstated. With our hearts at the epicenter of our health, embracing cardio exercises is imperative for all fitness levels. These activities, from energizing morning walks to challenging high intensity interval training, HIIT, are pivotal for bridging the gap to a healthier lifestyle. Tailoring these to fit your routine transforms everyday moments into chances for improvement. Whether it's running outdoors, cycling, or completing that last burpee, each effort is a pledge to your heart's health. As we conclude, let's take forward the motivation and determination to prioritize cardiovascular wellness. Remember, elevating your heart rate is just the beginning. It's about transforming your life, one beat and one breath at a time.